You made it. You just completed a full modern analytics engineering workflow. And you didn't just copy code. You understood how to structure it, deploy it, and own it end to end. Let's quickly recap what you've accomplished in this course. You started with the foundations, why modular analytics matters, and how to shift from scattered SQL scripts to clean, version-controlled workflows. You learned how Dataform works, how it fits into the modern stack, and how to connect it to GitHub to build in a real engineering workflow with commits, branches, and structured environments. You tackled 5 modeling challenges. You used real business logic, structured your models properly, and wrote modular SQLX files built for reuse and scale. You configured sources, explored the dataset, and applied ref-based lineage. You understood how Dataform tracks dependencies and manages execution order for you. Then you moved beyond just writing queries. You learned how to validate data with assertions. You checked row counts, uniqueness, and sanity before problems hit your dashboards. You scheduled production releases, set up table prefixes, and made sure your pipeline runs cleanly from the main branch on autopilot. You even connected BigQuery to Power BI and optionally VS Code, giving you full control from code to dashboard. At this point, you've moved from analyst to builder, from static reporting to modular, scalable pipelines, from reactive data work to reliable automated systems. And the best part, you can take this structure and apply it to any analytics project. New reports, new data sets, new companies, same clean foundation. This is the new bar for analytics work, and you've hit it.